What's up guys, today I'm gonna talk about how to make your money work for you. Let's go. What does it mean to make your money work for you? Making your money work for you means taking control of your finance, then using that control to continuously improve your financial stability and security. You may eventually be able to gain financial independence or build wealth through investing, but neither of those things can happen without first understanding where your money is going and learning better ways to use it. Learn to budget. A budget is a vital tool for changing the way you handle your money. When you are budgeting, you understand where your money is coming from and are purposeful about where you spend it. You are making your money do what you want it to do rather than spending without a plan. Get out of debt. When you are in debt, you pay more than the cost of the original purchase. You also have to make interest payments that can substantially can into your income. Debt means your money is not working for you. It's going towards paying that interest. It creates a financial burden and limits the choices that you can make. Paying off debt, by contrast, allows you to take that money and redirect it towards the things that are important to you. You can put it towards other financial goals such as saving for education, creating a retirement fund, traveling, or improving your living situation. You can start a business. You can begin investing it, allowing you to grow your wealth and creating more financial stability and independence. Create a emergency fund. Surprises are scary when you do not have control of your finance. An unexpected car repair, a medical procedure, a job loss, or any other financial emergency can quickly send your spiraling into new or more debt, wiping out at progress you have made towards taking control of your money. Creating an emergency fund is another way to make your money work for you because it means you have planned for surprises. If an emergency does come up, you can put the money in your fund to work and regain control of the situation. Save and invest your money. Once you have freed up an extra money from paying off your debt, you can put your money to work through saving and investments. What you save for will depend on your age, lifestyle, and goals. In addition to our emergency funds, you will also need retirement accounts. You should also consider whether you need. That's it guys, today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you next video.